What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be giving you guys a few tips on how to keep y'all retwisting a little longer.
Word up on her out and she a bad bitch, I'm on her. Must ain't heard that I'm a savage, once I get a bitch, I own her. I see she got swag, I got cash, so I want her. 4-5 in my pants, put on your...
Alright guys, so the first tip I'm gonna give you guys is to get a style after you get a retwist. So by style I mean you get like barrel braids. So that's usually what I do to keep my retwists in a little longer. I usually keep them in for about a week to a week and a half, up to 2 weeks or so, something like that. Around that time, once it gets itchy, I take them out. Alright, so as soon as you take them out, it's basically like you just got a fresh new retwist, if you know what I'm saying. Because when you take them out, when you get the braids in, it's like holding your hair in place. It's keeping the retwist in. It's like basically staying tight, you know what I'm saying? So once you take them out, it's gonna be like a fresh new retwist that's already been 2 weeks, and then you just gotta wait depending on how long you go in between your retwist. If you go every month, you got 2 weeks left. Basically, you won't even need one after the month because you're already gonna have like a fresh new retwist once you take them out. So that's the first tip I'm gonna give you guys. Or you could also do like the 2-strand twist as well. That'll keep your retwist tight, if you know what I'm saying. The second tip I'm gonna give you guys is make sure you're wrapping your hair at night before you go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna cap you guys. I hardly wrap my hair when I'm going to bed, but that's because I be tired, and I know that's not like a good excuse, but when you tired, you tired. You know what I'm saying? But I try to wrap it up as much as I can, but you know, it is what it is. I know that's kind of damaging my locks, but you know, it's straight. My locks are fine right now. So yeah. And then the third tip I'm gonna give you guys on how to, you know, keep your retwist in a little longer is try not to sweat too much or get your hair wet, if you know what I'm saying. Like, try not to go to the pool. Like, say you just got a retwist and you really want it to last. Say just don't go to the pool. Try not to like if you work out and stuff, I guess you could still be working out. But if you're working out, try to like work out with like a style in your hair or something like that. It'll keep it tight, if you know what I'm saying. So make sure you try not to get it wet or style it too much. If it rains or something, make sure you try to cover your hair as quick as possible. Try not to get your hair too wet. So yeah, those are basically the 3 tips I got for you guys. For right now, that's all I can think of. I'm just doing this video right off the bat because I need to drop something. I haven't dropped a video in a while, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to drop more consistently, but it's pretty hard, you know what I'm saying? It's like I have to find the perfect time to record, then edit the video, and then sometimes I just don't have the time at all. So I'm gonna try to drop for you guys a video every week or 2 days a week, some weeks, whatever time I got. Like today, I'm about to probably record another video right after this one, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to thank everybody for staying loyal and keep subscribing to my channel, and all the support you guys are showing, all the DMs I'm getting on Instagram. Just keep it up. Like always, I'm gonna make my Instagram pop up somewhere around here. Excuse me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's gonna be pretty short. I just wanted to give you guys a few little tips that I do when I try to maintain a retwist, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, this channel is all about dreadlocks. I'm gonna do a little bit more with the channel, but for now I'm sticking to my But for my dreadlocks, I love giving you guys tips on how to maintain your hair or get a retwist or all the brand new things. And if you hear my dog right now, he's right outside. I'm about to take him for a walk, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you check out my last videos and all my other videos. I have more great content about to drop, and that's about it. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Shots like no other. Banks and comments for my partners. Leave you just to see my prospects. Spare my mind before I pop the pocket. Chanel on lace, the blonde I fix. Eat, I know, baby, you can't take. Get bitches, baby, they stay fake. Why should I stay dripping? I be scared. I like to have all my bitches built like stripper bitch.